Hello viewers, welcome to Varun Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in a reputed organization. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Before that, I'm just keep saying the same thing in my each video. So Varun Krishna Job Channel always will provide you and post you the very genuine tech job updates. We never ever fake. We never ever do post fake jobs. Okay, in that point you can trust for us. That's why I'm just keep saying the same thing. There is nothing I'm going to get from you guys. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. Apart from that, I'm not going to get anything from anyone. In case in the name of myself somebody asks you the money, please do not pay. I'm not going to claim any of the amount from anyone. Okay, that's why that is my just humble request. So why? Because some few days back somebody is posted, I'm just posting the few fake jobs in the LinkedIn. That's why I just got worried. So that's why I'm just giving that information. So to the all the audiences and job seekers who are watching this video, in the name of myself, somebody asks you the money, please do not pay. Please consult with me. If anything goes wrong, please reach out to me at any time through LinkedIn. Okay, I just given my number as well. In the LinkedIn, you can contact me over the phone as well. No issues. Yes, like I said, right? We are going to see in a reputed organization fresher job opportunity. It's a great opportunity for all the freshers who is looking for the job opportunity in Big 4 company. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Yes, let's go and watch the video right away. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not the hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the employer or anyone asks you to pay the money to get a job, please. Hello viewers, like I said, right? So this is the company called EY. They are just hiring the associate software engineer. So this is the job ID they are just given. They are just given here. The location is Chennai. So if anyone just want to be a part of this EY company, please have a look. Do apply the position. So do apply this post. Why? Because it's a very good genuine company. We know very well, right, about the EY. So Ernest and Young, we call it as a Ernest and Young, right? So they are just looking for the multiple role. Okay, so like let me show you the tech stack. What are the tech stack they are just looking for? See, these are the technology they are just now they are just trying to hire for this position. Yes, let me show you here. Skills needed, qualification, so BE btech. So there is no of backlog. Should have secured more than 60% and above. So all your academics. Yes, let me show you the tech stack. So before that, I just saw you the tech stack somewhere. Just hold on. But this is a common question for across the multiple technologies. Let me give a apply here. So in case we don't have account, please create a one account and do login. Then just apply for the multiple question. But they are just actively hiring for this position. This is the recent job post. Okay, so you never bother about the when they posted this job. So which is recently posted job. So that's why I just posted this video here. Also, I just heard many my colleagues from those who are working in the UI. So they are just yes, like I said, right, these are the technology they are just as of now they are just looking for developers like full stack development, Java, .NET, SharePoint and Power Platform. So in case if you apply for this position, in case you are getting the interview call letter, then you obviously you are just called for the online interview, or either it's a virtual or in-person interview. Then in case if you are shortlisted for this interview, based on your skill set, they will deploy you in any one of the technology projects. Yes, so that you can able to apply this position, so without wasting your time. So please go through everything. So let me tell you about the interview round. Okay, I think it is not mentioned anything over here. Let me tell you. Okay, in my upcoming video. Yes, viewers, thank you so much.